Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to RV online class. In previous class, we learned the chapter number 16. Time, days and dates. What we discussed in time, days and dates. Open the EVS book, open the page number 82. Time, days and dates. First, what we discussed in previous class, we discussed first time. What is, we go to school in time, we sleep at get up in time, we eat, drink, bathe and even play at fixed time. Let us learn about clock and time, days of the week and month of the year. First, we have to discuss time. You know the clock, see students? Clock. This is the clock. Here, numbers is there. 1, 9, 6, 3. Here 11, 10, 8, 7, 5, 4, 2, 1. Here, this is the small hands will be hours. Next, bigger hand will be minutes. This is the time. What time show? This is the seconds hand. The small hand. This is hours hand. Here, this is the hour hand. What time it will be? What time we will be get up in the morning? We have to 7 o'clock. We have to show the clock will be, the bigger hand will be hour, minute. This will be hour hand, hours hand. What time it will be? 7 o'clock. We have to write 7 o'clock and shown it in the clock. This is the, you have to show the mark it, you have to book, you have to write the what time you get up in the morning and draw the hands of the clock and tell the time. Next, I go to school. You, what time you have to go to school? For example, 9 o'clock. You have to write 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock, go to school. I come back from school at what time? 4 o'clock or 3:30, 4:30. Any what time you have to come to school? Come back to school. Write the time. You have to write 4 o'clock. I go to play at. You have to fix the time. What time you have to go to play, and write. You have to for 5 o'clock you go to play. Right at 5 o'clock you have to write it. Next, I do my homework. 6:30 or 7 o'clock. What time you have to do the homework? Do the homework. Write the time. And what time you have to sleep? 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock or 8:30. We have to write the timing. This is your homework. In yesterday class, in previous class, we learned this one and one activity is there. We have to prepare the clock. What is the materials here given? What materials we have to given? Let us make a tall clock. What are the material? Colored thick paper. We have to see. First one, what is the material name? Colored thick paper. You have to take on. Next, a pair of scissors. You have to take the scissor. Next, paper plate. You have to cut the paper plate round. This one clock purposes. Next, nail. This is the nail. Next, crayon. crayon or pen. Anyone you have to take on the marker pen. Crayon, pen or marker. Anyone you have to take. And first, what is the what we do? First direction. Cut the big hands. We have to cut the big hands. Big hands will be minute hands. Next, we have to cut the small hands. Small hands will be two. We have two hands. We have to cut one big hand and small hand. Small hand will be our hand. Next, thick hand will be minute hands. Next, attach them and to a paper plate with a paper plate or clip or fastener. We have to attach this round paper plate. You have to big hand and small hand. You have to attach them. Next, use the crayon pen or marker pen. Write the numbers. This paper plate you have to pen or marker pen. Anyone you have to take and you have to write the numbers. This is the clock. This is your activity. Do it your home. You can move the hands of the clock and tell the time. Next, what we discussed in calendar. The calendar, how many months is there? In calendar, how many months is there? 12 months. What are the names? Months names. See student, what are the months name? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, next December. These are the 12 months in the calendar. In how many days in the calendar? There are 7 days. What are the names of the days name? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These are the names of the in the month. 1 month we have to 7 days in the month. In 1 month how many days is there? 30 days. 30 days is there. Total 1 year how many days? 365 days in the 1 year. Then calendar will be 365 days in the calendar. Now which year, see students? Now which year? 2020. Next upcoming year will be 2021. A calendar shows that there are 12 months in the year. In a year, you can write the name of each month for practice. We have to all months practice any 2 times in your homework book. You have to write the all months. We have to practice it. What are the months name? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. What are the days name? Monday. Days also you have to practice it in your home. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These are the days names. See, here one activity is there. See student, take the calendar. Here one calendar is giving. You have to take the calendar and consult your parents. You have to consult your parents. This is your activity. Circle the special dates. Like for example, birthdays or family members. You have to your brothers, sisters, or your mom's, father's birthday dates. You have to write it in which month we have to your birthday. Next, wedding days. These are the you have to collect that, write it in 1st January. January your birthday. Write your date and which write your dates are, for example, your mom's wedding days. Anyone you have to like this. One example I will show. Here, take the calendar. Consult your parent. And circle the special dates like birthdays, birthdays of family members or wedding dates here first month. We have to take the calendar first month and January. And circle the special dates here. First month we have to take the calendar and circle the what we do, circle the birthday date or wedding days. We have to circle it. For example, your birthday 14th. We have to circle the that day and write it here. 14 date will be right in this 14 next 17 your mom's wedding date or your friend birthday 19. Here calendar we have to circle it. In calendar we have to circle the dates. See student, do it yourself. This is your activity. Next, naming days. What are the naming days? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Days also you have names like us. Look at the calendar and read out the names of the 7 days of the week. Look at the calendar. In the what we look at the calendar and read out the names of the 7 days. What are the 7 days? 7 days of the week. 7 days include 1 week. You have to told. Note down one activity that you like to do on each day. On Monday, what we do in Monday? One activity. Anyone, you have to do it in. For example, you have to write in that anyone one activity you have to you ask your parents and write to one activity each day you have to write it. And which day holidays for you? Sunday will be holiday for you. Write the Sunday will be you have to write it. Here last one, which day? Is a holiday for you. You have to write Sunday. In Monday to Saturday, you have to write note the activity that you like to do on each day. Write it yourself. See students, I hope you are all understood today's class. This is the time, days and dates. What is the time? The big hand will be minute hand and small hand will be hour. AM in morning we have to write the 7 o'clock. After 12 we have to write PM. What is the AM? AM means AM long for ante-meridiem, PM long for post-meridiem. AM you have to, for example, for morning you have to write 7 o'clock or 7 PM. 7 AM. AM means this will be called ante-meridiem. PM after 12 o'clock we have to write PM. PM write it what we call PM. PM will be post meridiem. Next, what we discussed, we have to what time you have to go to get up in the morning. Write it your. Also, you have to draw the hands of the clock. One, this is the activity. Do it yourself. What is the clock? We have to prepare this in this your own. Next, calendar. Calendar. How many months is there in calendar? 12 months. What are the months name? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There are 12 months in the 1 year. How many days in 1 year? 365 days in 1 year. You can write them and each name of the month. Write the name of the each month for practice in your home. How many days in the 1 month? There are 7 days. 1 month, 30 days. Days name, what are the days name? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Right. One activity is there. Do it yourself and ask your parents and take the calendar and consult your parents and circle the special dates. You have to calendar take and circle the special date and write the dates. For example, birthdays, weddings, anyone, you have to special day, you have to write the dates and circle it. Next, naming days. What are the naming days? Days also you have the names like us. Look at the calendar and read out the names of the 7 days. 7 days of the 1 week and note down the activity. One activity you have to do. One activity that you like to do each day. Write down. You will ask your parents and write it. In which day is holiday for you? Sunday is holiday for you. You have to write the Sunday. See students, I hope you are all understood today's class. I will meet the next class. Thank you.